Well, I was gonna try to fire this up and maybe take it down the road real quick, see how stiff the suspension already is or isn't. But Houston, we have a problem. Check this out. Okay, mind you, the key and everything is off inside the cab, but check it. It should not be doing that. It should not be doing that till I try to start it. So I think the brand new solenoid that I just put on is a barbecued. So I have another solenoid. We're gonna swap it out and see if that one lasts. Of course, this time I got one with a lifetime warranty. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if that fixed it. All right. Looking good so far. Let's see if she'll fire up using the key. Oh, I gotta pull the carb hat off first. Breathes a whole lot better without that on it. All right, let's see what we can do here. Awesome. Let's see if I can get the tires and stuff on it before it gets too dark. I might take it for a spin. All right, here I sit on a stool. These brakes are super soft. Roll my window down. Let's see what happens here. Hopefully I'll be able to stop it. We're gonna put it in drive. Or actually, that was nice. It didn't go anywhere. Now I gotta unblock the back wheel. But here's my chair for right now. Ooh. Quick. Well, give it any gas and it falls flat on its face. That's good to know. We'll see if I can get it pulled over here. I'll take a look. Let's see what kind of issues we're having here. Well, let's see. Uh-oh, that's not good. Might be coasting this thing backwards all the way back to the house. No cranking power. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see if we got power now. Nothing. Great. Okay, well, this is dangerous, but we're gonna try to coast this thing back to the house. Oi, under no power. Starting to wish I had that e-brake. Ooh, started in neutral. Not in park though. See if I can turn this thing around here. Come on, buddy, go. Well, at least we got that out of it. Makes it to where I can coast it down to the house. This will be fun. Let's see if I can get it up into the yard. What the heck's going on here? Oh, God, this was rough riding. Well, that's something. Let's see if we can get it to... Here we go again, huh? All right, so it's dark now, but truck is running. I am hoping, crossing my fingers, all it was running out of gas. When I fixed the fuel line and I came home, there was a leak in the fuel line. It needed another hose clamp. Took care of that, but I didn't realize before I took this, I didn't do the math. I was dumb. And it sat here and leaked for about 4 days. So I'm hoping that it just siphoned the tank dry enough to where there was no gas in it. So I went and got 5 gallons, shoved 5 gallons in here. So far I have backed the truck out of the driveway and it ran better just backing it up. And then I drove it into the driveway and it's doing just fine. So hopefully that was it. I'm kind of nervous to try to take it up the road in case it dies, and it's dark and I have no lights on it. So I don't know, maybe we're doing a Redneck TUFF truck here, so maybe I need a Redneck headlight. What do you think? We just set it on there and flash the light at anybody that comes at us? Yeah, why not? Let's do it. All right, so kind of cool here. The dash lights still work because I haven't disconnected those, and so does the cab light. I love it. So at least we had a little light facing me. Now I got a little light facing that way. Let's see what I can do here. Let's see what happens. We'll drive it backwards up the road a little bit, just to make sure if it dies, I can cruise it into the driveway facing the direction that I want it. Okay, well, in reverse it seems to have some go-go. We'll just keep going backwards for right now. All right, well, working good so far. Seems like we solved it with gas. Man, this thing bounces. All right, so uh-oh. It just died. But at least I pulled into the driveway before it died. Let's see what's going on here. Well, until tomorrow, when I can drive it around the block, I'm gonna guess that it's fixed. I don't know. I only put like 4 gallons or so in it, so maybe I need to go get 5, 10 more, whatever, and shove it in it and find out. Leave my cab light on here. But hopefully that's it. Hopefully I'm just stupid and I showed you guys all that I'm just stupid and let it run out of gas. So I guess we're gonna find out tomorrow. All right, so you're probably not gonna get to see much here because it's dark outside. It's like, I don't know, it's almost 10 o'clock, but I'm gonna let the truck sit here and idle for a little bit. Still trying to work out some of that nasty gas smell. But that should be gone here close, since I think we just ran it out of gas, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and start stripping the inside. I think I've decided that this is a Redneck trophy truck, TUFF truck, and there's a lot of parts that the racetrack's tow truck needs. So we're just gonna start stripping the dash and a bunch of other good parts that I don't need off of it, back window, things like that, and hopefully the track can use those. And yeah, I'm gonna do what I can tonight for a little while, and then we'll continue on tomorrow. Do you ever start something and realize you might have gotten just a little too carried away? Yeah, I think that happened with the dash. Got the dash out. Most of it. Gonna do some trimming and fitting and stuff. And all the dead wasps and stuff that are in here. Yeah, those all need to be cleaned out. I found a bunch of wasp nests too throughout the process. I think I found, other than the ones from last night, I found, I think, 3 more. So yeah, lots of wasps. But getting close to being ready to put a cage in it. All right, so I know one of my concerns was some safety with a seat and stuff like that. I got on Facebook Marketplace and I was able to find this bad boy, and it actually came with a set of belts too. Super cheap. Belts are still within date, missing some mounting hardware and stuff, but you know, for the cheap project that it is, I think that'll work. It's not the most comfortable seat in the world, but at least it fits my hips. I was having an issue finding a seat that fit my hips. It's not mounted yet. I just wanted to set it up in there. You might notice that the truck is running. I think I might try taking it up the road and see if it stays running now that it's got gas in it. All right, so I'm in here sitting in the seat. That's kind of why I was sitting in here. I wanted to check it. I got 4 or 5 inches or so of head clearance, but I think once I get the cage in, this seat's got some little tabs that are keeping it up a couple inches. I might have to chop those and figure out how to mount it down just a little bit lower. But space wise, I'm doing pretty good. And I think this is going to be drivable. Position wise, it kind of fits my hips. I don't know, what do you think? It's, ooh, breaking stuff now. Let's clip this up here. I've only got the gauges kind of sitting up here, kind of sitting at an angle, so we'll see how well they stay. Hopefully the seat doesn't slide around either. Not the prettiest colored smoke behind us. I think transmission's having some issues. Of course, I got it in drive right now. Maybe I'll stop up here and I'll put it in first. I'm sure my neighbors super appreciate this old farm truck. Yeah, she's hesitating a lot. I didn't check the transmission fluid like an idiot. You know, I'm always just wanting to jump in and play, so. Hey, my fuel gauge jumped up to 1/4 of a tank. It was showing empty. I don't even know if that's remotely accurate. brakes still seem to be working good, which is awesome because it's pulling into the driveway. Woo! Well, that's good to know. The transmission's hesitant. I might have to look at that. Hopefully it's just fluid, but we'll find out. At least she's running and she goes and she moves. If not perfectly, it's still moving. So good start. All right, so part of my goal here, I'm going to attempt to take the back glass out. Part of my goal is I'm going to go race Rattlesnake Raceway this weekend with the IMCA Modified. If you're not following that stuff, jump on, check out the IMCA Modified videos and stuff. And I'm loading a bunch of parts that are good or semi-good or whatever to take out to the track there for spare parts. So the goal is to try to get a bunch of stuff off this. That way I don't have a whole bunch of stuff laying around my yard, because I don't know, I got a pile already growing here in front of the house that needs to be taken care of. Last thing I need is other random truck parts laying around. So the city frowns upon it. Apparently it's frowned upon in this establishment. We're gonna attempt the back glass here, and then we might be going over to the Modified, because I got to get that thing finished so I can go race tomorrow. All right, so I don't remember how long ago I saw this done once, but it was a long time ago, and I think I remember how to do it. Removing this glass without breaking it, and I'm going to use some soapy water and some people call it a pick tool or a hose removal tool. So yeah, this isn't really instructions on how to do this. I'm just hoping I remember how to do it, and if it shatters, I want to catch it on camera for you guys. So hopefully, wish me luck. Hope that it doesn't shatter, because that's a mess to clean up, and this back window could be used for the tow truck. So, you know, wish me luck. Victory is mine! I honestly did not see that going well, but ha! All right, well, amid all the testing, I did a little bit more stripping and mirrors and inner doors and the upper part of the seat belts and some stuff like that, but nothing major that I really needed to catch on camera. But I did take it for a little bit of a drive, and it is now overheating. So I guess after it runs for a while, she likes to overheat. Got to figure that out. Probably attack that some other day. I'm pretty sure it's either going to be a thermostat or a water pump. I'm really hoping it's just the thermostat, because if it's just the thermostat, I'm just going to gut it, kind of like a race car, and call it good. But if it is a water pump, then yay, one more thing, right? But that's why we drive these things around now. I'd much rather find out that it has an overheating problem now than when I try to race it or whatever. So and I already tried washing out the radiator and checking all that stuff. So the fan is already solid mounted, so it's not a clutch or anything like that. So yeah, another video for that. So I think that's going to be it on this today. Now that my parts are here, I need to get booking on the modified so I can go racing tomorrow. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below if there's anything you would have done better, any questions, comments, concerns, stuff like that. And yeah, we'll see you next time.